Coming up this week on Talk with Audrey, in celebration of the arrival of spring, I have Emmy Award-winning host of George to the Rescue and home improvement expert George Oliphant, and he joins me with some tips to help make yard work easier. And as you're spring cleaning this season, why not get your financial house in order too with some money-saving tips to tackle your financial goals? Ambassador to Marcus by Goldman Sachs and personal finance expert Andrea Worch has information to help you get your financial house in order. If you're a soccer fan, Toyota is sponsoring Tour Aguila, a series of 5 friendly matches taking place around the U.S. And joining me with the details, Tyler McBride, the engagement and marketing manager for Toyota Motor North America, and Mauricio Culibro, operations president for Club America, one of the top and most beloved teams in Mexico. Then nutrition at any time of the year is the perfect time to refocus on not only your health needs, but also of our children as well. Celebrity chef and restaurateur Lorena Garcia has information about the benefits of including milk in your child's diet and some of her favorite milk-inspired recipes. And it's all coming up this week on Talk with Audrey. Insightful, intelligent, and inspiring conversations and information to help you improve the quality of your life. I'll be right back.